Wow, that bird flew so close and touched my hair.
In this room they can, but not, I don't think they fly out. Try to keep them in this room. Whoa. Hey, you want to go through? It smells like coconut. You want to go to the next area? Okay. Ellie, Grace, we're going to try to go to the next area. You want to come? Okay, we'll see what's over there.
Annabelle, stay here, babe.
Oh, this is where we started.
Great idea. It's only bad there.
What, hon?
Because we want to look at the bird.
No.